Like the Extrude tool, the Revolve tool can also be used to remove material from the model. Once you have a sketch created and visible in the browser, just click the Revolve icon. The properties for the Revolve appear where you can select the profile or profiles. Activate the Axis button and choose the axis of revolution from the sketch. Just like with the Extrude feature, the default behavior is to add material, but to remove material, all you need to do is press the Cut button. If you'd like, you could adjust the extents and angle of revolution for the cut, but for now, I'll just click OK, and the Revolve cut is complete.